5 ways to create a calm and relaxing home environment. The importance of having a calm and relaxing home environment, especially in today's fast-paced and stressful world. The video acknowledges that creating such an environment may seem challenging, but it emphasizes that there are several easy and effective ways to achieve it. The video then goes on to provide an overview of the 5 ways to create a calm and relaxing home environment that will be covered in the subsequent sections. Home is a place where you should feel safe, comfortable, and at peace. But with the hustle and bustle of everyday life, creating a calm and relaxing home environment can seem like a daunting task. Fortunately, there are several simple ways you can transform your living space into a peaceful sanctuary. In this video we'll explore 5 easy and effective ways to create a calming and relaxing home environment. Remove unnecessary items from your home. The first step to creating a calming and relaxing home environment is to declutter and organize your space. Get rid of any unnecessary clutter that's taking up valuable space and causing visual stress. Donate, sell, or toss items you no longer need or use. Organize your remaining items in a way that makes sense to you, such as by color, category, or frequency of use. A well-organized space will help you feel more in control, reduce stress, and create a sense of calm. Incorporate natural elements. Incorporating natural elements into your home environment is a great way to create a calming and relaxing space. Exposure to nature has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety, improve mood, and promote a sense of well-being. You can incorporate natural elements into your home in various ways, such as adding plants, using natural materials like wood and stone, or bringing in natural light. Plants not only add beauty to your space but also help purify the air and reduce stress levels. Natural materials can create a warm and inviting atmosphere, and natural light can help regulate your circadian rhythm and promote better sleep. Create a cozy ambiance. Creating a cozy ambiance in your home can instantly create a calming and relaxing atmosphere. Use warm lighting, such as lamps and candles, to create a soft and soothing glow. Add comfortable pillows and blankets to your furniture to create a cozy and inviting feel. Consider adding a sound machine or playing soft music to help create a peaceful environment. Set boundaries and create a routine. Setting boundaries and creating a routine can help you feel more in control and reduce stress in your home environment. Establish boundaries with your family or roommates regarding noise levels, personal space, and common areas. Create a routine for yourself that includes time for relaxation, such as reading a book, taking a bath, or meditating. Having a routine can help you feel more grounded and centered. Limit screen time. Limiting screen time is crucial for creating a calm and relaxing home environment. Excessive screen time has been linked to increased stress and anxiety, disrupted sleep patterns, and decreased overall well-being. Setting boundaries for yourself and your family can help reduce the negative effects of screen time. For example, you can set designated times during the day for screen use and establish screen-free areas in your home, such as the bedroom or dining room. You can also engage in non-screen activities, such as reading, meditating, or spending time outdoors. Reducing screen time can help you focus on what's important, connect with others, and improve your overall mental and physical health. By creating a healthy balance between screen time and other activities, you can promote a sense of calmness and relaxation in your home. Use soothing colors. Colors have a significant impact on our mood and emotions, and choosing calming colors for your home can create a relaxing atmosphere. Consider using soft blues, greens, or neutrals on your walls and decor. These colors can help reduce stress and anxiety and promote a sense of peace and relaxation. Minimize noise. Minimizing noise in your home environment is essential for creating a peaceful and relaxing atmosphere. Excessive noise can cause stress and anxiety, disrupt your sleep, and affect your overall well-being. There are several ways to reduce noise in your home, such as using sound-absorbing materials like curtains, rugs, and acoustic panels. You can also close doors to noisy areas and use noise-canceling headphones or earplugs if necessary. If you live in a noisy neighborhood, consider adding soundproofing materials to your walls or windows to reduce outside noise. Creating a quiet environment can help you focus, feel more relaxed, and improve your mental health. By minimizing noise in your home, you can create a peaceful sanctuary where you can escape from the stresses of the outside world and promote a sense of calmness and relaxation. Create a sacred space. Having a dedicated space in your home for relaxation and reflection can be beneficial for your mental health. You can create a sacred space by setting up a cozy corner with cushions and blankets or dedicating a room for yoga, meditation, or other mindful activities. This space can serve as a sanctuary where you can escape from the stresses of daily life. Bring in aromatherapy. Aromatherapy is a natural and effective way to promote relaxation and calmness in your home environment. It involves the use of scents from essential oils, candles, or incense that can have a therapeutic effect on your mind and body. Aromatherapy can help reduce stress and anxiety, improve mood, and promote better sleep. Choosing the right scents is key to achieving the desired effect. For example, lavender is known for its calming and soothing properties, while peppermint is invigorating and energizing. You can use a diffuser to release the scent into the air or add a few drops of essential oil to a warm bath for a relaxing soak. Candles and incense are also great options for creating a cozy and relaxing ambiance in your home. When using candles or incense, be sure to choose natural products made with ingredients such as herbs and spices, and never leave them unattended. By incorporating aromatherapy into your home environment, you can create a peaceful and calming space that promotes relaxation and well-being. Embrace minimalism. Minimalism is a lifestyle that involves simplifying your possessions and focusing on what's truly important. Embracing minimalism in your home can help reduce clutter, create a sense of calm, and free up mental space. Consider removing unnecessary items from your home and focusing on functional and meaningful items that bring you joy and peace. Creating a calm and relaxing home environment is essential for your overall well-being. By decluttering, incorporating natural elements, creating a cozy ambiance, setting boundaries and creating a routine, and limiting screen time, you can transform your living space into a peaceful sanctuary. Take small steps each day, and before you know it, your home will be a calming and relaxing retreat from the outside world. So, if you're interested in learning more amazing information about lifestyle, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified by our new videos. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to comment down your views on this. Thanks for watching till the end.